Welcome to Tiny Wins. Let's learn the alphabet, one letter at a time. Say it, see it, learn it. Are you ready? Let's start. A, A, A. A, A, A. A for alien. B, B, B. B, B, B. B for bee. C, C, C. C, C, C. C for clown. D, D, D. D, D, D. D for drum. E, E, E. E, E, E. E for elephant. F, F, F. F, F, F. F for frog. G, G, G. G, G, G. G for goat. H, H, H. H, H, H. H for hat. I, I, I. I, I, I. I for igloo. J, J, J. J, J, J. J for juice. K, K, K. K, K, K. K for king. L, L, L. L, L, L. L for ladybug. M, M, M. M, M, M. M for mushroom. Having fun? Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss a letter. N, N, N. N, N, N. N for nuts. O, O, O. O, O, O. O for owl. P, P, P. P, P, P. P for plane. Q, Q, Q. Q, Q, Q. Q for quilt. R, R, R. R, R, R. R for robot. S, S, S. S, S, S. S for seal. T, T, T. T, T, T. T for turtle. U, U, U. U, U, U. U for unicorn. V, V, V. V, V, V. V for vulture. W, W, W. W, W, W. W for whale. X, X, X. X, X, X. X for X-ray. Y, Y, Y. Y, Y, Y. Y for yogurt. Z, Z, Z. Z, Z, Z. Z for zoo. Let's recall all the alphabets one more time. Ready? Here we go. A for alien. B for bee. C for clown. D for drum. E for elephant. F for frog. G for goat. H for hat. I for igloo. J for juice. K for king. L for ladybug. M for mushroom. N for nuts. O for owl. P for plane. Q for quilt. R for robot. S for seal. T for turtle. U for unicorn. V for vulture. W for whale. X for X-ray. Y for yogurt. Z for zoo. Great job, friends! You did it! You learned A to Z with me. See you next time. Bye!